What's up, guys? Welcome back to another at-home workout. Today we're going to do shoulders. All right, so the shoulders have three parts. Obviously there's more, but three main parts. It's the front, the center, and the back. We're going to try to hit all three parts, guys. I know if some of you guys don't have weights, don't forget there's alternatives, and if you don't have any and you're using your own body weight, remember your reps have to be up higher. All right, so let's get started. Let's get this shoulder workout in. Here we go. All right, guys, I always like to start with lateral raises. You don't need a chair. I just like it to be able to know. If you're at the gym, usually you can hold on to the side so that all your exercise is really going on that arm you're working versus leaning. So here we go. We're doing 15 of these. I actually have a 10-pound weight, so here we go. All right, guys, I love supersets. I've told you guys before, so we're doing front raises. So let's do them back to back. There is no resting after you do the lateral raise. So here we go. All right, guys, we're only resting 30 seconds and we're moving on. So here we go. All right, guys, after you rested, we're going back to back into it. We're doing 4 sets of these, so let's get back to it. One thing I wanted to tell you guys is I like to start on my weaker arm so that the muscle development is even. It could be just mental, but that's what I like to do. So here we go, 15 on each side. Here we go, front raises, guys. All right, guys, let's rest those 45 seconds. We're back at it for round 3. Here we go. All right, guys, after we finished our 4 sets of lateral raises and front raises, we're gonna move on. Now we're gonna go ahead and sit in our chair. And this sequence is gonna be a little bit different. I've never counted this way with you guys, so I wanted to kind of demonstrate first before we did it. So basically, you'll always keep your arms up, and this is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and then together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're doing a total of 20 of these, so we're back at it, back to back. You don't stop. Here's 3, 4, 5, 5 together. Here we go. Here we go. And back to back, we're going to go side, front. Guys, rest your 45 seconds and we're back for round 2. All right, guys, here we go. Set number 2, back at it. Shoulders are on fire. Yours should be too. All right, guys, so the next 2 exercises, we're going to try to focus on that rear delt, which is basically back here. I'm a little thicker right now, so my definition's not really there, but as you can see a little bit of the front, and there's a little bit of the back right there. But once it's nicely developed and you're slimmer, it really pops out and it makes a girl's shoulder look nice in a dress. So ladies, while you may think these exercises, you're not wanting to do them because you're gonna bulk and look funny, you're not. Trust me, it'll take us forever to ever even look that way. So, my chair's a little spiky. It's all metal. So, if you have a chair similar, or any chair really, just put a towel for cushion because we're gonna put our head, just the forehead part, on the chair. And we're gonna do these exercises so that we hit that rear delt. So basically you'll be coming up, and this is the elbows need to come up first and then down. So for me, I was lifting 10s, but I honestly like to go down and weight when I do those because I feel that form is very important. And I've noticed that when I go heavy and I do these exercises, I can't really get my form correctly. So I'm now using 8-pounders versus 10-pounders. So let's get started. Here we go. Got our 15 in, moving on, here we go, back to back. All right guys, I've shown y'all the steering wheel exercise before, but one thing I wanted to tell you guys, these Frisbees, they're $1 at the dollar store right now. So if you can get a hold of one, and what I would do is, because there's no weight, you're gonna have to do this for a minute. And time yourself for a minute. And trust me, after a while, your own body weight will start to get heavy, but at least you're doing the concept of it. So you could do the Frisbee, same thing. So if you have one of these at home, even better, you've added some weight to yourself. I'm using a 10-pounder, so let's get started. Here we go. I will be doing 15 of these. If you don't have any weight, then you're gonna do a minute worth like this. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, rest 45 seconds, round 2, here we go. We killed it, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for working out with me one more time. Again, we killed our shoulders, back-to-back supersets, guys, for a total of 6 exercises. Trust me, after you do them, you'll start to get better. You'll be able to increase in weight, and then you'll start to all see your body come to shape, and it's amazing to see what our muscles actually are able to do. Anyhow, thank you so much again, guys, for working out with me, for being a patron. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. See you guys at our meeting.